Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Devin Me. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Inpainting with Stable Diffusion or every AI model by the interface of ComfyUI to fill out some areas of your image that you want to replace with something else. Let's get into it. So, when we open ComfyUI, this is the default environment of it. We want to make a new environment. First off, we need this, and we need a photo to upload and then like mask out somewhere and then get the output. So we're going to need another node called image, load image. We're going to drag it here. We want to add another node for encoding that it gets the input from here. So let's go mask and we encode for Inpainting. That's what we want. So let's connect this to the other part. First off, we want to like disconnect this part and give it to this, because it's gonna go from here to the end. So we're gonna remove this one and connect it to that because it's going from that way. And actually we don't need that one because we already have the image. So we want the image to connect to the pixels, and we have a VAE which is going to connect to that one, and that is all. That is all we need. I'm gonna go here and use like straight lines. It's gonna change this arrangement for a cleaner look if you like it, or if you don't, you can go and use hidden, which I prefer. So, if you don't want to go through all of that and you want to just use the interface, this workspace that I just created, you can go to the link of the description and download it. It's a JSON file, which you can download and just load it from here and click on the file that you want. Easy peasy. So I'm gonna clean this out, like, for a cleaner look. Okay. We want to upload our image over here, whatever you want. You just go and select it. I'm okay with that one. When you upload the image, you go on the image and click right and go to open in mask editor, which is this part. And we have a brush, which we can select anywhere, and it can be thickness. I just want the eyes. I want to clear it out, and I want the eyes to just get replaced. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're going to save to node, and you can see it just out of the picture. And as it goes by, the value is just 6 is fine. The steps and these are just fine. Let's clear this out, and we're going to add eye to the negative prompt, which is like we don't want to add eye in here. We want just flat face. Let's see what happens. It depends on the resolution of your image and like these settings here. CFG is like the reality, the amount of real you want it to be, like details and like 3D dimension, like glow. I don't know what is that stands for, but it gets you more more real photo. We didn't want an eye, but we got an eye. I guess that's just not really a smart move. But it's working for an Inpainting. I guess the picture is just wrong. Let's find something from the internet. Let's just clear this out, opacity, and then we're gonna remove that. Let's add nothing here and see what happens. This is not good. It just adds something to it. Yeah, and the color is off. Um, it is a better result, you see? Wow. From all of that, we finally found it. Okay. But it's not nothing. Um, let's just do the same thing we wanted to do in this one. Like, we click here, and then we say, one notebook. That is much, much better than I expected. And it goes even beyond the selection. Is it right? Yes. I guess that's what it says. It really checks out the other part of the image to find the best thing. Yes, it is. Let's see if that works. Yeah. Let's go with a face. Okay, this is the picture we have. Let's change her lips. Big red lips. Maybe our model works with face much better. I guess 50 is a big number here. We have to lower it. My PC sounds like a jet motor. Right now, just so loud and so noisy. Oh my god, this is really... It is actually so good and so aligned with the face and like colors and stuff, but it's so big. I shouldn't say the big lips. Let's lower it to 10 and then like... Oh my god. The picture is so big, that's why it took so long. The bigger the photo, the longer it takes, but it's worth it. I tried Adobe Firefly too. I guess it's not free anymore, so it can be a much better replacement. And also, it's not using your internet, it's using your GPU. That's why I like it a lot, because I don't have a good connection to the internet, and this model can help me a lot to get what I want. But that is so funny. This is so funny. But it actually worked so good. I didn't expect it to be that good. Like, but only this part, which I guess just because we said big, it really gave us a big lips. But it doesn't know how big you mean. It just filled the screen. Okay. Oh. That's not good. It doesn't really recognize the face to give a good... It's really not good. I guess we can fix it, but how? But let's try with the low resolution because we don't want to wait for a whole day. And this time, let's say we want to add some earrings. Gold hoop earrings. Yeah, that's faster. This is not good. This one is fine, but no. What is happening? Hair. You don't want hair in here? Like, let's add up to 20. Let's see what happens. Not bad, but not good. Not bad, but not good. It's not as bad. Yes, that's fine. So you can play with it and find it. Oh, I said blonde, but it didn't recognize it. But it is a sick eyebrow. Thick eyebrow, not sick eyebrow. And there's a lot of corruption here. And it is symmetrical. Not bad. Not bad. Like blonde. Light brown. Let's see. What's that? This is a good result, but I don't know what is that? Like, literally, what is that? Hair? I shouldn't really. Let me. This is a good result. It is actually a good result. Yes. It's perfect, to be honest. So, you can get the good result with that in painting if you play with it enough to get the hang of it. So, I'm pretty happy with this result, like compared to this. Okay, I found something good. Yes, that is good. Let's change the belt. Something the girl do. A black leather belt. And that's going to be 10. Yes! This is actually good. It's working for that kind of picture. It's like, we're gonna save that and then we're gonna create another one. It's much faster than Adobe Firefly if you do it Yes, baby, yes. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be a black belt. Oh my god. Of course, not a hard thing to do for AI. Like, now I'm happy. So let's, like, the shirt is hard, or let's try it. Let's not be really. Okay. Lace white top. No. This is good, but the hair is like ruining it. Hair. That is good, actually. I don't like this part. I'm not sure about that, but I guess that's fine. Yes. That's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed and you kind of get the hang of the AI that we're using. And the model is so important. You can just download some realistic models for like clothing, for animals, for like props. Some sort of props are much better with some sort of AIs. I don't know. These models that I'm using are more professional in just creating faces, like Asian face and like this kind of body and stuff, and not very good with fashion part like jewelry or stuff. I don't know if there is a specific model for that too, but it's fine, I guess. You can see other videos about ComfyUI and different AI models and different note designs in my ComfyUI AI playlist, which is here. And thanks for watching. Bye!